Hi everyone, today we are going to show you our rendition of seafood tofu egg drop soup. Check out the video description for the full recipe. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate on how to make the seafood and mushroom broth. In a hot pan, place the prawn shell and pour over 1 liter of water. Next, squeeze dry the soaked shiitake mushroom. Do not throw away the water, it is the essence for our broth. Transfer the mushroom water with a sieve. Next, sieve the seafood broth. In a hot pan, pour 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Stir fry sliced ginger and all the fresh ingredients. Pinch of salt, Shaoxing wine, and add in the seafood broth. You may substitute the broth with any pre-made stock or as easy as instant chicken cubes. Pour in the silken tofu. Swirl the soup while slowly dropping in the egg to get a smooth and whipped kind of texture. Slowly pour in the cornstarch to thicken the soup. Salt and pepper to taste. And here you go, our rendition of seafood tofu egg drop soup.